Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Control Center. Swipe from the correct corner or edge for your model so the UI appears instantly. Once visible, tap and hold an icon to reveal more options because long press gives quick access to deeper functions. Make changes in Settings Control Center to add or remove controls and prioritize the ones you use most so you cut steps later when you need them. Once done customizing, learn the gestures. Drag sliders for quick adjustments, and long press or force touch certain tiles to open extended controls. This lets you access fine-grained settings without opening the Settings app. Make sure to use the network toggles for fast connection changes, and use Focus or Do Not Disturb to silence interruptions when you need focus. Practicing these moves saves time because muscle memory will get you there in one smooth motion. For final steps, combine tools. Start screen recording while adjusting brightness and music. Tap the microphone if you want narration. Once set, you can control home accessories, launch shortcuts, or toggle accessibility features without leaving the current app. If Control Center won't open, make sure gestures are enabled in Settings, then reboot the device. If that fails, reset network or settings as a last resort, because corrupted preferences can block gesture response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.